Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change the space between the lines in Canva. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, open the Canva app, then go and open a project that you are working on, and then you have to choose the text box that you want to edit and change the space between the lines. If you don't have a text box, you can add one by tapping on the text in the left side. And when you have your text box, just tap on it, and you have to tap on this icon on the top in the middle. And when you tap on it, the second line is going to be the line spacing. And with this slider, if you slide it to the right, it's going to increase the space between the lines. As you can see, it increases up to 2.5. And if you slide it to the left, you can decrease it up to 0.5. As you can see, if I go to 0.5, there is even overlap between the lines. So here you can choose the one that it fits your design. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.